This covers the technical specifications for the FileMaker 18 platform. Be sure to check out the description for links to all of the new feature videos and the free course at Productive Computing University for all the videos in one place. We'll start with the file extension. In 17, it was .fmp12. In FileMaker 18, it is now .fmp12. So it's the same. Very easy. Next are the logos and color schemes. For FileMaker 17, these are what the logos looked like. And FileMaker 18, they look exactly the same. On one hand, it is very helpful that they are the same, but on the other hand, there's some confusion when it comes to whether you're opening 17 or 18. Just by looking at these two icons, you don't know which one to click on, but when you hover over it, one says FileMaker Pro Advanced, the other one says FileMaker Pro 18 Advanced. So this one must be 17 by process of elimination, but if you have both of them side by side, then you're just going to have to remember that. This difference also shows up in the file name. For 17, it's just FileMaker Pro Advanced, but in 18, it's FileMaker Pro 18 Advanced for the application file, even though the icons are the same. This may be a great time to make an alias so that you can see right away which one it is. You may also have to change any scripts that were using just the FileMaker Pro Advanced in a path name. For the supported operating systems, hardware, and browsers, we're going to have to go to the document for that because those are changed. And if you've downloaded the sample file, you can just go to the specifications tab, and in this container has the PDF document with all of those specifications. So I won't read all of this. You know how much of this will pertain to you. There's quite a few languages there. The Swedish language is still in the client, but you'll see a change for that in the deprecated items. Apps created using FileMaker Pro 12 and above can be opened with FileMaker 18. It's very relieving to see the host compatibility, that it is able to connect to 16 and above or FileMaker Cloud 1.18 and 1.17. Here you have your list for the operating systems: Windows 10, Pro and Enterprise, 8.1, Standard and Pro, 7 Professional and Ultimate, all of those with updates. For Mac, you have Mojave, as I like to call it, 10.14, and High Sierra 10.13. Hardware requirements are listed here, as well as some other additional requirements. Peer-to-peer sharing is still limited to 5. I should also point out that those of you that are looking to be certified, you will probably want to check out the certification course, as this will definitely be part of the certification for 18, so there'll be an update there if you already have that course, and if not, you may want those memory techniques so that you will get those parts of the exam correct easily. Those are your technical specifications. Thankfully, nothing too inconvenient or troublesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the description for links to other new feature videos for FileMaker 18 and the free course at Productive Computing University for all of the videos in one place, as well as other courses to enhance your skills as a FileMaker developer.